If you are trying to change your Xbox account email address, this How to 1 Minute will guide you how you can easily change your Microsoft Xbox account email. Open xbox.com and make sure to log into your account. Now, click on your profile and click on My Microsoft Account. And you will directly jump into your Microsoft profile page. Here you have to click on Your Information. In this page, scroll down a little bit and you will get here email address. So to change your current email address, click on Edit Account Info. And now to change your current Xbox account email address, first of all, you have to add another email. So click on Add Email. Now you can create a new email address and you can add it as an alias by selecting this first option. Or you can add an existing email address as a Microsoft account alias by selecting this second option. Let's create a new email address and click on Add Alias. Once your new email address added, now you can easily make the new email address primary by clicking here. And then you will be able to remove your old email address by clicking on Remove. This is how we can change Xbox account email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.